Hi everybody, Chris here from ARCHI UK. Just a really quick introduction to the maps on Archie. Come to my attention that people aren't really making use of the free tools on the website. So I'm quickly going to go through what's available and how to use it. So here we have a search location, Littlehampton. Non-members can see the first edition Ordnance Survey maps plus LiDAR. All you got to do is go to the home page, archaeological.com, type in the place name, no need to enter a password if you're not a member, click search. And here we have just one entry, click on Littlehampton search. Right, the thing that you need to be looking at is the composite historic maps with LiDAR terrain visualization, which is this one here. And as far as I understand, people are having problems viewing the maps in this interface. All you've got to do is click on the maximize the map there. Right, if you want to view LiDAR, just click on LiDAR there. Click close, and then move this like this. The thing people are having problems with is choosing the Ordnance Survey historical maps. In order to view a map, you need to first of all choose which map you want. So there are two options on the super map. There's the OS 6-inch to a mile first edition, and there's the OS 1-inch to a mile, I think it's 6th edition. Just click on the OS. There you are. Click maximize, and there are your maps. Simple as that. If you want to get a view of where you are today, just move this slider along like this, and it will give you the current area of photograph. But you might want to see a street map. If you want to see a street map as the base layer, you need to click on here, there, road map background, and there you are. Click on this one there. Again, you got to choose your OS. There's a problem here, as you can see, you can't see the old map, and that's because the zoom level isn't compatible with this zoom. So just simply zoom out. Click on the minus there. And you'll start seeing the old map appear. There we are. Try again. It's a little bit of a fiddling about, as you can see. Let's have a go. View old map layer. Let's try the 55 one, shall we? Let's get right in there. Finally, as you can see, there's a little bit of fiddling about here. This is something I'm working on, but it's pretty complex. But I am working it. But as you can see, there's a little bit of fiddling about. But eventually, you will get the old map. And here, this is your opacity, or you're back in time. See? Perfect. LiDAR. Can't see the LiDAR here. Click again on these layers. View LiDAR layer. There's a few issues with this. Just takes a bit of patience. Something I'm working on. But as you can see, it does actually work. It just requires a little bit of patience. Okay, thanks for watching.